What if I told you there are people right now making money every single month without working extra hours, without driving for Uber, and without even leaving their house? Sounds impossible? Well, that money comes from something called dividend investing. And it's one of the simplest ways ordinary people in the US and UK are building passive income. Here's how it works. When you buy shares of a company, you own a tiny piece of that business. And when that business makes profits, some companies reward investors by paying them cash. That payment is called a dividend. Companies like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and Apple Inc. have paid dividends to investors for years. That means people can literally earn money just by holding stocks. Now imagine this. You invest in multiple dividend-paying companies. Some pay in January, some in February, some in March. Suddenly, you're receiving money almost every month. That's why dividend investing is so popular among people trying to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. But here's the part most beginners don't understand. The real power isn't the first dividend payment, it's reinvesting those payments. Let's say you earn $100 in dividends. Instead of spending it, you buy more shares. Those new shares also start paying dividends. Then those dividends buy even more shares. And slowly, your money starts building itself. This is called compound growth. And over time, it becomes incredibly powerful. In fact, many long-term investors make thousands of dollars every month from dividends alone. But don't get fooled. Dividend investing is not a get-rich-quick trick. Some companies cut dividends during economic crashes. Others offer huge payouts because the company is actually struggling. That's why smart investors focus on strong businesses with long histories of stable payments, not hype, not gambling, and definitely not overnight riches. The best part? You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Many beginners in the US and UK start investing with just $50 or $100. Because dividend investing isn't about becoming rich tomorrow. It's about slowly building freedom, one payment at a time. Imagine waking up one day and seeing money hit your account, even though you didn't work that morning. That's the dream behind dividend investing. The question is, would you rather spend your whole life working for money, or slowly build a future where your money works for you? Comment below what you think, and subscribe for more investing and finance videos.